With your new CRM, you're going to get a complete blueprint of the entire loan process from lead coming in all the way to closing and also post-closing. We have automations for the entire process. You don't have to use every automation, but the best part, you can plug and play. In other words, you can take the entire process and you can plug in different things that you want to implement in your business at that particular moment in time of your loan process. Let me show you what I mean by this powerful new process that you're going to get. So when you first get that lead, you're going to want to book an appointment. You can do a 15-minute phone call, you can do a Zoom call, or in person. So we have appointment workflows for when the lead first comes in. You want to schedule their appointment. They're going to get reminders of that appointment. The next part of the process may be a document checklist. We have a document checklist workflow. And then the application process. So we have a request for application, link, email, text, a whole workflow for that. Then we have a hard inquiry workflow, and we also have a soft inquiry workflow. After that, we have a process for your customer to opt out. They're going to opt out of any solicitation, so the pre-screen and also the do not call list. That's already dialed for you in the blueprint. The next part of the process is their pre-approval. So we have pre-approval workflows, an automation that's going to update them on their pre-approval amount, and then also automations to update the real estate agent and communicate with them everything that's going on with that pre-approval. Finally, once they go into contract, we have every single step of the process. So once you get that contract or start that refinance, we have a new loan notification automation. And then we have the disclosures out automation, the disclosures signed automation, submitted to underwriting, conditional approval, CD out, clear to close, and then your post-closing workflows. Now, if you want to add anything into any part of this blueprint, you would simply go into the workflow. Let's say you want to add a personal touch to the realtor once disclosures are signed. So then you would go in here, add an action. You can task a team member. You add a task. You task the team member that you want to make the phone call. You task them, so they're going to get a task every time that loan gets to this step of the process. The best part about this entire blueprint is you get a complete training manual from the first step all the way to the last step and post-closing. I created 35 different videos for you guys for each step of the process, so you can train your team, train yourselves. You would just go down here to the Dream Big CRM training, click the library. You have a complete training manual. So learning your CRM, creating a contact, new users and new employees that you start, how to filter your lists. And if we scroll all the way down, we have the in-process automations. So you can go in here, learn each of these automations so you can really customize your borrower's experience, really give them an amazing customer experience, get those 5-star reviews, and really take your business to the next level by having this amazing blueprint for a perfect loan process. If you want to get started right away, click below. We have a 15-day free trial for you. We'll get you started. Thank you so much, and we'll see you soon.